Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To troubleshoot APK installation problems on Roku, first, ensure your Roku device supports APK installations, as Roku primarily runs its own OS and typically does not support Android APK files. Check for compatibility with the specific app version. If attempting to use unofficial ways to sideload an app, confirm you're using a compatible and safe method. Restart your Roku device to refresh its system. Additionally, verify your internet connection is stable. For persistent issues, researching common error codes or consulting Roku support may offer specific solutions tailored to your problem.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.